What if you could turn back the clock on your cells? It sounds like science fiction, but it's now a scientific fact. Researchers, led by Dr. Diljeet, Gill, have discovered a way to make human skin cells biologically younger using a technique called partial reprogramming. Imagine taking an older skin cell and giving it a 13-day. By briefly exposing the cells to special proteins called Yamanaka Factors, scientists essentially hit a reset button. These rejuvenated cells started producing more collagen, healed wounds faster, and even looked genetically younger. The cool part, unlike other methods that turn cells into stem cells, this technique just rewinds their age without changing what they are. This breakthrough could pave the way for new treatments for age-related conditions like arthritis. Of course, we're not quite at the fountain of youth just yet. More research is needed to ensure it's completely safe for humans. Still, it's a massive step forward in understanding and potentially reversing the aging process. If you're fascinated by breakthroughs like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.